Guys, welcome back to my channel, Brown Eyes on the Budget, and today I want to make a splatter screen wreath for my front door. So if you're interested in seeing this, then y'all stay tuned. You guys, what you're going to need is, of course, the splatter screen from Dollar Tree. You're also going to need a glue gun, and I'm choosing to use spray paint that I have on hand. You're going to need some spray paint if you choose to use spray paint, and you're also going to need some flowers. I am using some flowers that I had on this decor piece, and I just took them off, you guys. So I already had these on hand, but you can easily get some from Dollar Tree, you guys. So let's get into this. So I wanted to keep with the theme, since I have my little splatter screen pumpkins in the house. I wanted to also keep with the theme on my front door, okay, since this would be very easy for me to make. So what you're going to do is, first I want to spray paint mine. So I'm going to go spray paint mine, and I'm going to do some steps for the sake of the time of the video that you will not see. But I am going to go and spray paint this, and I will be right back, you guys. Okay guys, I have spray painted my little splatter screen. So what I'm going to do now is start deciding where I want to put my little flowers at. Let me scoot y'all back. And then I'm going to start hot gluing, you guys. So like I said, you can buy your flowers from Dollar Tree. I just happen to have these on hand. So yeah, this is a very easy project, you guys. Very, very easy. So I'm just going to start sticking on some of my flowers. And then I'm probably going to do the rest off of camera for time's sake. I don't want this to be a long video, you guys. I don't like long videos. So you just glue it down just like that, wherever you want to put your little flowers at, and you keep gluing them around. So I'm gonna do another one, and then I'm gonna finish some of them off of camera. Alright, so I'm gonna put this one here, there, and then I'm going to go ahead and finish the majority of them, and then I will come back. Finish my little splatter screen wreath. This is how it's looking right here. So I finished putting my flowers all the way around like I wanted them, and I also put some twine on the handle, you guys, and I'm going to put a little piece of twine on the back of this so I can hang it up, and then I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like hung up, you guys. See you in a minute. Guys, here's the end result of my Dollar Tree splatter screen wreath right here, you guys. I love it. I love how it turned out. I'm really feeling it, and I cannot wait to hang it on my front door, you guys. It's really, really pretty. All the oranges and glitter and brown. Yes, I am loving it, you guys. I also want to say, everyone does not make these wreaths, these splatter screen wreaths and pumpkins the same way. That is the beauty of it. Everyone has their own unique style on, you know, doing their DIYs and doing their crafts, okay? So everyone should not be looking the same. It's okay to be different, okay? Dare to be different in your DIYs and your crafts, you guys, okay? Step out and take that risk on being different, all right? So with that being said, I'm about to get up off of here, you guys. I gotta cook. Thank y'all for watching and supporting my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you're new here, hit that subscribe, like, comment, share. Also hit that bell notification so you will be reminded of any DIY uploads that I do upload. All right, guys, talk to you later. Bye-bye.